tutorials. So today I actually go about certain things. One of them is setting up. So what programs do you need and why do you need them? First program that you need is Visual Studio 2000 and something. Alright, before we actually go and search for that thing, which I'm going to show you which version should you download. In the past, I've worked with so many versions. I think I worked with 2010, 2013, and 2015. Yeah, the last one. So, and I'm still working with 2015. Which one to download? If you have semi-good computer, laptop, whatever, download the latest version, which is 2015. Why? Because I've explained in the C++ tutorials on what's the difference between these programs. It's the optimization and adjustments and stuff like that. So 2010 was really difficult to work with, 2013 was good, and 2015 is perfect. And you know, each would simply put this way, with each year that comes, when new software, you know, comes out, it's better and better. You know, it's really idiotic to see with someone who still works. I'm not saying specifically, you know, idiotic or something like that. It's just the newer the software, it's better. You know, it's simply like that, because the optimization. I was working with 2010 and I was seriously, it was, you write a program and you start building it. You can go and eat, drink, play some soccer or whatever, and then come back and you have to wait like half an hour before it actually compiles it. It was really bad. So 2013 was great, 2015 is perfect. What else do you need? You're gonna need Photoshop because of the design. So in the design we're gonna do certain things. We're gonna first, before we actually go and do the coding, we're gonna design the program, because you know you want it to look nice, and that's what we're gonna do. So as you can see, open up your browser, write cat.cr, that is kat.cr. In it, it's kick-ass torrents, you know, and write Visual Studio 2015 and click search. Now as you can see, it opens up, you know, a list of programs that you're gonna need to download. So which one to download? I would say the first one or the second one. I think I've downloaded this one, but you know, it's not much of a difference because you know, if I upload this, someone else is gonna download this, modify one or two things, and re-upload it again. So click on this one. Yeah, I think I have this one. So yeah, as it says, you have the instructions here: unpack, burn or mount, or actually just don't. You can use 7-zip or WinRAR just to unpack it. Install. You can use the serial from this text file, which is, as you can see, not here, but it's, I think, yeah, it's here, definitely. And that's it. Just pretty much click on this magnet file here, and it's gonna pop up the torrent. You know how that works. Just go where to save it, and install it following these instructions. If, however, you don't know how to install, you have certain problems with installing it, leave a comment in the description down below of this video saying that you cannot do this, and I'll make a video on it, how to go step by step with the installation of this or any other software. Alright, so once you've done that, go to search query and just write Photoshop CC. Photoshop CC is the latest addition from Adobe, which is phenomenal. So it's really quick and, you know, crisp. It requires a 64-bit operating system, just so you know, before we actually go anywhere. Let's see what we have here. Alright, so this one is both 64 and 32-bit. Lightroom, let's see which one is good. Let's go with this one. So click on age, it's gonna say 15 hours, It's Adobe Photoshop CC 2015 version 16.0. It's 32-bit and 64-bit multi-language. Here's the thing with these programs, don't worry about updates. You get the code. That's the thing, doesn't have the key. Alright, so let's just refresh this. No, it's my bad. Yeah, with most of them it doesn't come key. Here it is. See, crack. 2 months ago, first uploads. Yeah, this guy's good. First uploads, amazing guy. So here's it. Photoshop. Here's the installation notes. 32-bit, 64-bit. You can actually choose which one do you want. Here's the setup. .exe file, and here's the crack. This thing is working perfectly. So once you get an update, click update. Don't run the program. Just re-crack it, and it's gonna work perfectly. Here are just some things that are enhanced. Simple installation. Like again, everything should be written in this text file. If, however, you don't know how to install it, leave a comment in the description, and I will gladly help you out on installing these things. Remember, Photoshop is 32 plus 64-bit, so you can choose one, not both. Remember that. I was wrong. It actually is in both versions of operating systems. So those are the 2 programs that you need. You're gonna need a third one, but I'm gonna talk about that one in the next video because it requires certain stuff to do. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next J.A.R.V.I.S tutorial.